Hi and welcome to How to Thrifty. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your wheels without any water. Alright, in this video we're going to be using the Black Magic waterless car wash and detailer. I picked this up at Walmart. It's not very expensive. What you do is you just spray it on your wheels, let it sit for a second, take one of these microfiber car wash mitten things, and just going to wipe it down. Really doesn't take much effort. And as you can see here, if you look real close, you can see some immediate results. Look how shiny that is. Now, if you don't have one of these microfiber mitten things, you can use any microfiber cloth. It works just as well. But this is all I had at the time. And I haven't tried it, but I'm assuming that paper towel and a cloth would work just fine too. And wow, just look at that. Look how nice and shiny it is there on the left side of the wheel. Look how dirty it was at the start. It's not the dirtiest my wheels have been, but I certainly hadn't cleaned them for quite some time. Just going to go ahead and scrub a little better here in these grooves and get the dirt out of the corners there as well in the wheels. And you can see it cleans up real nicely. Look how clean that is. I'm going to go ahead and clean off the rest of the wheel now. Alright, I've cleaned off the rest of the wheel with the Black Magic waterless car wash and detailer, and I've also shined up the tires, that is, with the tire wet, and it looks fantastic. And I honestly, I haven't put much effort into this. I haven't pushed hard, scrubbed hard, and it's just very gentle. And all I did is, as you saw earlier in the video, I just sprayed, let it sit for a second, and look at that. Look at the difference that you're seeing here. Look how shiny that is. It looks very well done, fairly professional. Just ignore the damage that's on my wheels, but other than that, look at the difference there in the side by side. Look how clean that is. It's really a fantastic product. I'd highly recommend it. Thanks again for watching How to Thrifty. Please like and subscribe.